Penhouse YouTube channel, the ultimate destination for pen enthusiasts, collectors and anyone who is interested and appreciates the art of fine writing instruments. So I am Navi, I am thrilled to have you here. Today we are going to review this Waterman Expert model. It's a twist type ballpoint pen. So in this video we are going to see the overall length, weight and writing of the pen. First we'll see the pen here. It's a stainless steel pen. It's a twist type ballpoint pen. So before going to my video, kindly subscribe to Penhouse YouTube channel and click the bell icon so that upcoming videos will be notified you. Let's move on to the video. This is Waterman Expert model. Stainless steel body, the color combinations are silver, gold and then black. Here we have a gold trim rings. It's like a band trim rings or all the things and the same thing. Here is a clip. In the clip they have mentioned Waterman brand logo. This clip, it's a user friendly clip so we can easily insert this into the pocket. Here is a finial. It's not a normal finial like it's a flat or rounded. It's like a slightly right cut finial. In the finial, it's black color. They have mentioned Waterman logo there. This overall body is made up of metal. That's the main thing. Without knowing the body, we can't use the pen because it's a luxurious pen, right? So now we'll see the construction of the pen and back to our video. Now we'll calculate the overall length of this pen. So that we need to check whether it's in zero or not. Okay, it's 136.77 mm. It's a twist type ballpoint pen. So we'll calculate the length including the tip. It's 140.56 mm. Now we'll check the grip section. And the grip section is 9.30 mm. Now we are going to calculate the overall weight of this Waterman Expert twist type ballpoint pen. Okay, it's 34 gram. It's in a mid weight. Now we'll back to our video. Now we saw the construction of the pen. It's a lightweight pen. So now we look into the pen. Grip section, it's not slippery. Okay, it's just amazing. It's a twist type ballpoint pen with medium tip. Now we'll look into the refill. Okay, unscrewing this. Here is a refill. It's a blue refill. This is branded Waterman refill. Okay, you can see here. Okay, this is branded Waterman Paris ballpoint pen refill. This is blue color, medium tip. So, if you can use the alternative source for this refill, you can use Zinau refill or Smith branded refills. That spares also available in penhouse.in. Okay, now we'll do the writing sample and back to our video. Now we are going to do the Waterman Expert model twist type ballpoint pen. First, we are going to start with penhouse.in. This is blue color refill. Brand name is Waterman Expert. This is medium tip. We'll do the smoothing test now. It's very smooth. You can see here. Now I'll draw the horizontal line and vertical line. This is a lightweight pen, so we couldn't feel overwriting or overflow. And this grip section, it's not slippery. It's very smooth. Now we'll back to our video. Now we did the writing sample. It's just very smooth as a pen. I just love this pen. So we came to the end of the session. Oral can use this pen. This is a medium tip, but all the school going students and then office people, adults, everybody can use this pen. And it's just amazing. So if you want to purchase this pen, website link is pinned in the comment section. Kindly look into that and you can purchase your order. Grab it soon. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned with us. Bye bye.